What's up, Sunny Team? It is your trainer, Annelisa, and I am here with a 15-minute body weight and bench workout coming your way. We've got 6 exercises that we will be hitting twice. So all you need is your bench, maybe a mat, a towel, some water, and we can get started. But first, if you enjoyed this workout and you want to see some more exercise content from Sunny, from all our amazing trainers, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn those notifications on, like this video, and leave a comment for us below. Now let's get to work. All right, so to begin, before we get into the circuit itself, I want you to give me just a few arm circles to the back. Perfect, opening up that chest, releasing all that tension in your upper body, and then give me 3 to the front. Perfect. Now, let's go ahead and get started with just a couple jumping jacks. Perfect, staying light on your toes. Awesome. So while I am hitting these jumping jacks with you, I'm gonna let you know we've got 6 exercises. Like I said in the intro, we will be using that bench. It is going to be completely body weight, and I will offer modifications if necessary. Give me about 10 more seconds of these. Perfect. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give me a couple knee grabs. I want you to keep those feet planted. Grab one knee and just stretch and release. Shake it out. Other one. Perfect. If you're having trouble staying balanced today, you can find a chair, hold on to it. I've got nothing nearby, so we're gonna hope it's for the best. All right. Give me a few more on each side. Stretching out those legs. And release, shake it out. Cool, so we are going to be hitting each of these exercises about 60 seconds each, with the exception of our split squats. So, first exercise on our radar today is going to be a step up with an optional knee drive. So we are going to be alternating our leading leg, and timer starts in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect, so start with your left. I'm not gonna do the knee drive first, or I'm not going to do the knee drive yet. We take that left leg up, right leg comes up, left leg down, right leg comes down. Now switch legs. Perfect. We are here for about 40 more seconds. If you're feeling spicy today, add that knee drive, take it back down. Perfect. You can also drive those arms with it. Before this, should also make sure your bench is stable. This one is, but I've had some mishaps in the past. Perfect, we've got 20 seconds. Up next, we are going to be hitting a couple push-ups with that bench. So they will be elevated push-ups. Coming up in 8. Give me a couple more knee drives. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Perfect. So, hands on that bench. Again, make sure it's stable. Core's nice and tight, you're on your toes. You can also do this on your knees. And I want you to give me push-ups. Try and bring that chest all the way to the bench. Coming up, 60 seconds of this, so take your time, take your rest if you need it. Starting right now. Perfect. Before you do decide to modify and drop to your knees, like shown here, I want you to try and get a couple of those on your toes. Perfect. Core is nice and tight. Take your time. Awesome. Try and touch that chest to the bench. We've got about 30 seconds left. And the modification is okay. Awesome. Take it nice and slow. Optionally, if you are not feeling these bench push-ups, you can take it to the ground too. Either way, we've got 20 seconds left. We are gonna take it to tricep dips on the bench. 15 seconds. Perfect. Coming up in 10. We're switching it up. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. All right, so go ahead and Your fingertips are gonna be facing forward, palms on that bench. We've got some bench dips. So here are some options. You can have those legs close to you. I still want your booty, your back, close to the bench as you dip, elbows backwards. And you can dip here. I'm gonna start that clock in 3, 2, 1. So start to dip. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, you could extend those legs out. Perfect. Yeah, that one gets really tough. Awesome. So this can be kind of hard on your wrists. If you do need to, take a moment, shake it out. Go ahead and do so. Awesome. And that's right, we got 60 seconds of these. Perfect. 30 seconds left. If you'd like, you can pick up that cadence. You can add a pulse at the bottom. We got 20. Perfect. Those arms are on fire, but we are gonna get a nice little break after this, focusing on those legs and that core. Awesome, you got 10 seconds. Give me a couple more, give me 3 more, give me 2 more, and that's time. Awesome. So up next, we are going to be hitting a split squat. I want you to go ahead and take your left leg, place it on the bench, like so, and facing forward, we're gonna go ahead and squat. I want you to look down at your knee, make sure that your knee is not going past your toes. And we're gonna only do this 30 seconds on each side. So that timer is going to begin in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. So check my form here. If you need to, you can go ahead and hop that leg over, bring it further. Awesome. And if you want to focus more on that lower body, hands on your hips, you can take those hands above your head as well. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we are going to be hitting it on the left side. So go ahead and I'm gonna try and do this where I can still see you. You could take that right ankle or that right toe, place it on the bench, hop that leg forward, and that timer begins in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. This is only 30 seconds. Make sure that knee is not going past your toe. Awesome. Take it low. There we go. Perfect. We've got a little less than 15 seconds on the clock. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. So, final exercise. I'm going to wedge this over a little bit over here so you can see. We are going to be doing a reverse crunch with a leg lift. So I want you laying flat on your bench. Isn't this nice? We're gonna do this for 60 seconds each, or 60 seconds total. You can hold onto the bench underneath you. You can hold onto the back of your bench. But here's what we're doing. We are going to extend those legs, bring it in, give me a leg lift, and pop those hips in the air. Your 60 seconds starts right now. Let's go. Core is nice and tight. There we go. Take your time. You can adjust where you're holding onto the bench. Perfect. Big deep breath. We've got a little less than 30 seconds to go. If you want to give something extra, you can twist and take those legs out. You can twist at the top. Perfect. We've got about 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Shake it out. So up next, we're gonna run through that circuit one more time. This time, 45 seconds apiece, 15 seconds break. We are transitioning fast. So to begin, We're starting with those step up with a knee drive in 3, 2, getting right to the work in 1. Perfect. Make sure you are alternating legs and keeping your balance. Make sure that leading foot is flat on the bench when you take it up. Amazing. And you can also pump those arms. Perfect. We've got about 20 seconds left. Can you pick up that cadence? I think you can. Perfect. We're moving on to those push-ups. Coming up in 10. And we got 5, 4, 3, like you're kneeing somebody, 2, and 1. Release. Quick 15-second break, but if you got some energy left, let's get right to it. Perfect. Hands on that bench. Start on your toes. 45 seconds starts right now. Perfect. Take it nice and slow. Take breaks as you need. But it's only 45 seconds, and you can do anything for 45 seconds. Let's get it. Perfect. You got 30 left. Again, if you do need to modify, drop to your knees, but that means you should be able to get even lower on that push-up. Amazing. Perfect. 15 seconds. How we doing? For the last 10, can you hold it low? Hold it at your lowest point. Ooh, yep, it burns. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Up next, we got those bench dips. So, here's how it's gonna go down. We are going to be hitting those dips just like we did before. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep your lower back and your booty as close as possible to the bench. If you want more of a challenge, extend those legs. You can widen your stance. That one hurts, but if you want to keep it easy while still maintaining that form and getting that workout in, you can bring those legs in. Perfect. Can you hold it low and pulse? Yep, that hurts. Take it back up. Hold it low and pulse. That should burn. Take it back up. We've got 10 more seconds. Give me a few more. Perfect. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. We got those split squats coming up next. I am slowly but surely rotating this thing. But to begin, you're gonna start left toe on that bench, right leg out. Perfect. Start to squat. We are still doing this one for 30 seconds at a time. That timer starts right now. Amazing. Get low, focusing on that form. You got 15 seconds right here. Perfect. You got 8. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's switch sides. Get that right toe on that bench. And we're starting in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Now make sure you're able to get that full split squat in. Awesome, 20 seconds left. You're balanced, your core is tight, your shoulders are square forward. You got 10. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Final exercise. We're rotating this again. All right, we've got that reverse crunch with a leg lift. Let's get it coming right up. Final 45 seconds. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, you can hold that bench at the sides. Make sure you pop that hip up in the air when your legs go up. Here we go, getting that full extension on your legs. Awesome. All right, we've got 25 seconds left. Hold those legs out real quick. Give me some flutter kicks. Perfect. You can get those shoulders off the bench. Pause, and back to those reverse crunch with a leg lift. We've got 10 seconds left. Coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Recover. So before we get up and do some stretches, I want you to drop your right leg down, hug your left knee close to your chest. Awesome. And go ahead and switch sides. Hug that right knee in. Stretching out those legs. For 3, 2, and 1. Hug both in and slowly roll up. At this time, I want you to get off your bench. Get into a very deep squat, and I want you to take those elbows, press back on those knees. Perfect. Opening up those hips. You can plant those hands to the ground, rock side to side. And slowly, toes facing forward, I want you to go ahead and straighten out those legs. Hold into that forward fold. Perfect. Now slowly roll up. And just like we started, give me 3 big shoulder rolls to the back. And 3 to the front. Final stretch. Go ahead and give me 1 big deep inhale. Sweep those arms out. Reach those arms up and palms to center. Congratulations, we did it. That was your 15-minute body weight burnout with the bench. Once again, my name is Annelisa. Be sure to subscribe to Sunny Fitness, like this video, leave a comment below, and turn those notifications on so you can get more workouts like this. We'll catch y'all next time. Take care.